what is sika in the see money so they check about how much they can get from the church members. But when your church members be fast walk heaven there, they don't think about. Me say, me previous. As so for be as a me 2 hour mo fie na me ko papa o masum. Serious. Woman you woman just nipa we mre bi ki ko gem. Sabre ya me no kasai. Obi ti asafo mu ye bi wo ye bia nso obi wu akogem bato onim. Won kan kwaje mane ho ni easy. Heaven na ye boni di easy sano. It's not easy to get there. Na yan when you chere for papa ama na nkyere ukwan papa wo be fa so be koso de ne wo case wo be tue sika na sa wo be tena safoni mu sa se na wo nka ho ebinu mu ya sofo wo mo nka ho eni ti afia so na ye checking ka ye checking akra dodo a yinya ye na sofofo checking sika dodo a yinya wo afini ye timi fa sofo de neto branch itwa price edi to ni tiri so on fesika so mesi ne mra ebede na zan no so ebede ne yenyi upieto nkoshe no ebede ye oni enkomo waburu mu nsu ni sunsum ko de wu kosua ebede ne ntwa entro nhye nkom tro mu so sister bra ebede no wonder say boys na mu edro so mu de be ya sorry. No wonder, because the churches need money more than us. They don't care about your soul. They don't care about your soul. They care about your money. And to what that's so sorry them 20 years. What is said? What is jealousy? And that's so dokro. And your mind that's so tumu. Akayo ayo umu masikeni bre. Adokro wono. And your mind ayo say you know that's so you say good. So for now we do any one kasa wakoshi. They care about your money. Me say me tie nsem me say hey, this year cake me say and next abra me no kasa Christopher bi because every second nipa wu. Wo mu kwa samando bosso ejisu hia wo mo se da bi onya ha ne ye bo mo se da bi oni ne enye ba bi a office wo ko ne nya wo na wo ko hey ye Christopher se hwan mo nka ho mo sofo ne kra wo nka ho me ka me kira wo enye komo Christianity enye bread and butter o enye light is how I been ultimate to nyum one save is forever save me so wo ko hye one save is not forever save. For Surunia who pupoya who cran conji and wajumo tone. Ya brand Sunday church goers. Ya konia befi and ye to pass through here to heaven in your come. Nti Jesus at the was some bumpe o ye bumpe. Nini Oshiwa was so pale. Ye bumpe and ye come ye near software. Woma bon inti trust them unim because they don't let Holy Spirit to drive them. Hunkoko no so ama so a obeda church na wako no kro ni nyina ho. Nti se teacher bon the whole district school no mu nyina mo master no wa bon mu nyina mo bon. Mu nyina mu stuff ni kogem ma kogem because the woni mu no de ba be kire wo. Nso kohwe they worry about for the bo for there. Je musika na sam kujemu. No kure ni say mumpe which is nyawa. Bible ni si nipa e bedroom rebi nipa mpen kire kure ye ma me hwe be e wono me kenkan kire. Bi o Bible no ko 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 3. 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse number 3. Let me kenkan. Was a time will come when people will not listen to accurate teachings. Instead, they will follow their own desire and surround themselves with teachers who tell them what they want to hear. Which is I won't tell you what you want to hear. What's the baby beba munti nchire pana ye no obeto me se me kan sim bi si wontie. What's the baby beba a Christopher mo frem ho munti nchire pana ye no mo be dane afiri ha akotia nansesem bi se ma sum ye mo de. No maka de mo pese mo tie akire mo And then you be the sister, me who's a wobe ware, me who's a wube nesika, me who's ye baby promote wajum, me who's a wube sifi, me who's say, and no, no, mumbakuti. Me come at you. Christo sono, and easy sao. I'm the light, is I'm wishing Sunday was me a Christo, ni sister, one can who a finna creed. One can hold that, unye Christo ni. A finna creed, I can wonder home, bois. Me come at you. Shall we die soon so ye Christo ni a catch them? One won't conquer net here, come in tea. Na a diffu ya bay. Now when you miss one quite what before never fast for be Bible Nico Ezekiel 34. Na me no can a gown for na. Said you almost see a moment quan no moon da ben no full and in here. What dear Nanchia a dessert a didi. No full and in added Adam Wakunyum. A catching and cheers a waddle non carbon tinkopedian and ready. Sana say I saw for near. Woman the yin for and so say almost see yin. Yen na yeko sam ye nimu fifre enkope bibi mre wo mu ni instead of say wo mu na wo so wo take care of us they refuse no nyame bufu so ba wo so Bible no ko Ezekiel chapter 34 verse 1 going me no shall see it that no was it the promise of a new shepherd for the Lord's sheep was it the Lord spoke his word to me he said son of man prophesy against the shepherd of Ghana or see Israel, me the Ghana Beshaw. Prophesy against the shepherds of Ghana. Prophesy to those shepherds. Tell them, this is what the Almighty Lord says. How horrible it will be for the shepherds of Ghana who have been taking care of only themselves. Only themselves. Shouldn't a shepherd take care of the sheep? Obusa question. Enye udwan your phone hwe so hwe nwan. Enye ono onyame busa question. Was it they only take care of themselves? They buy cars. They buy mansions. Yes, you mkuyi akra no. Wamudi umukuyi Range Rovers and the mansions. Wamukuyi nkofu sika. They take care of themselves. No ma bu nwan na hwetie. Enti wobeti ahye me so ye Kristo ni so wonka ho. Unima de kura ye friend Kristo ni. Was say 3 no was you eat the best part of the sheep. Yes, the best part of the sheep they eat. Who is sikani na kwa sori ye je ye pa hu sika di. Wo pese hu se wo sofo ye sikani brefo na wo sika. Na kwa sori mo hwe se di wo sijeje wo so. E kire se wo ye kromfo. Dress in the wool and butcher the funniest sheep. Yet you don't take care of the sheep. You have not strengthened those that were weak. They don't. Heal those that were sick. They don't do that. Or bandage those that were injured. They don't do that. You have not brought back those that strayed away from, looked for those that were lost. They don't go and find them. They don't. Bandage weak. They don't take care of them. They send them out. So why ojayophobia de nwan ko nwura mu a okuta staff okuta edesepoma a wode wewe nwan no na adai ne de fulani ni ene ne poma I relax here e ka kire ne ntwi ni nwan se monko na monko pedia ne mre mi na minni no wunyame woni sa shepherd no e wo bi kan papa na sabri onyankopon di oyo onyame die bia onyame yi no obi sa nipa na so ma na beti ne kure onyankopon so wono e be hyase ye na dwuma wo be fire mu nyina e come chiro also you have ruled them harshly and violently, so they were scattered because there was no shepherd. Enyana boashete essence ganhwefo bi ni ho So what you say? They care about baby didi. They don't care about the rest. That's the dangerous part of it. Nipo bebre tia so them thinking say we will be work for heaven. But sabri am no ka say bebre wu edu Hades a ye kire wo say kwan we so na momfa. Are you too late for them? Because the shepherds are liars. They were greedy. They were money conscious. Thieves. Yes. They care about their money. No wonder. So we tear safum. Now we dressing. We super bunny. No we drama woda sutim. Na so for so one can be biancha. Wo fa wo yirechi. Na so for so one can be biancha because of the money he get from you. Wo de so for ni nyina munue. When they were scattered, they became food for every wild animal. Nti say ye omo bohete sa no omo badane aduane ama obi nom ti say obi nimmo ene asanteman bofo nom ene edifo atrofo no because omunya ko hye omo sore dem ho a wo be pie beba no na ne ho sika nyina sa na de ode be fa ka akora no wonya because shepherd na e was so omo take care of the sheep no. They refuse to do it. They refuse to obey Jesus. They refuse for Holy Spirit to direct them to teach the sheep. They refuse. Nti amanya na boshete no omo na me for them and ye ji wo mu sika and wo maye mo bonso still wo mu problem no etu ntwaye. Yes. Was my sheep wandered over all the mountains and on every high hill. They were scattered throughout the whole earth. No one search or look for them. No one search or look for them. Unyankopon mani bi da so nenam Facebook e da so nenam Ghana di for 2 years sorry but say ashi bad shepherd no wo munti enya na boshete ama say wo mu de wo muti pimpim but se unyankopon so enya wo mu nyina enya de Yesu Kristo cha wache ni nyina ne say ni nwan ne bi guban na chi etwa say ye boy dwuma ne yikoyi wo mu ba wonyenya wo mu totrobento ni nyansa ndo. Yes. But look for any from Nekachani. Say Sabri, I suffer one year. What kind of job are they doing right now? They only want your money. And then you to me print papers. You're the force to take the pastor such to your tithe. But in some urban, they force you to pay your tithe and offering. But they don't teach you the path that it will lead you to heaven. They don't. Thieves. Akromfo na dan wo mu asofo akromfo medru 7 no was it so you shepherd listen to the word of the Lord. Was it you shepherd listen to the word of the Lord. As I live, declare the Almighty Lord, because there is no shepherd, my sheep have become prey. My sheep have become food for every wild animal. My shepherd haven't searched for my sheep. They have taken care of only themselves, not my sheep. They were taking care of only themselves. They buy Range Rovers, Rolls Royce, big mansions. They have all kinds of food in their houses. They take care only for themselves. This omujina wo pulpit anim ekas hunamu shira wo munya efra yare for unyankopon ema ho ede ho wo ho but nyana abo apete ne de they refuse to go take care of them. Munni munfon munsangu muti mun shasi ntwe dwadwo na Israel nyankopon ne mo de mesi wo be kukumu bi mesi me wura ho me sheni pegu abonten wo munyante no kura a wo magye wo mo so wo mo ko heaven nanso wo mo nka ho abra na me wura ho na me hu dia menye me sre wo nya me se ne mane da so go na shepherd nti wo mo be wu akogye mo wo nkunkum wo mo seriously one shall see cook wo mo tem greedy. One fire binum. 19. Was it this is what the Almighty Lord says. I am against the shepherd. Was it he is against you, shepherd? He is against you. Was it I am against the shepherd, I will demand that they hand over my sheep. Was so be demand some be handing over the sheep. Hand them over. Hand them over. And no more jina or maybe go sorry them wa ye cash your munti no. Hand them over today. And sana what chinning granta about so. Hand them over. Close the church. Send them out. They don't belong there. When you will demand the sheep, every horse, you shepherd, liars, thieves, murderers. Was it? I won't let them take care of my sheep anymore, and they will no longer take care of only themselves. I will rescue my sheep from their mouth, and my sheep will no longer be their food. Because when you are Woman mudi dear, Onyanko say, Wabajina dear from 100 or over. Woman yamodi bium. From now on, woman yamodi bium. Enough, Unyameka, was one munya, Muntinipe cojem, was one munya, this was one munya, Mubo Carica every day, Mutonko Sieguni Padi Muchantro, Kansama Cassie, and Jiwa Musikadi, Muvia Mokumbi, dia sacrifice, Muvia Madras, Namudi Yenro. Mudi Yenro, Namushan Koma Cassie, and Jiwa Yamema Sikadi, extra womuso Muyamema, whereby Abrabo Mutimu Womunkamu, because Muya Cromfo. Madras, you care about money, but you don't care about the souls. You care only your stomach. That's the only thing you care. And that's how crom for pa. Woman to dance in madrasa. Bura suffer. You will see them. They will taste. Woman to bottom. Fili gadochi. Woman to woman no katreme. And to bottom. Fili gadochi. Wabra will be wakoshi. Bible ye men konkotin kotia. Akobi omo friend obofo was on cry heaven or pan or gidie. Was she what Daisy? Na me she ni pe gu ni nasia. Brother obofo. When you miss him in catch say, hand over his sheep. Hand them over. Yes, to a sorinum. Ne send the sheep no mumpie. Umo ni pada. Open him when you miss him in catch say, hand them over his shepherd, ni sheep no. Hand them over. Jewo mumu no munko. Jewo mumu no munko. Eyara wonsamo, Mrs. Samuel Tia. As a cocoa show so be an art and a long time ago. Ne papa na sum. Yes. This madras. You must come nipani be their sacrifice. Or bet me the unibako be a saf assorted them na colana yera. This hey Rahusamo, hey Rahusam, Saka asofui, a be nipani, extra heavy koya, Kenyan say, and the lukewarm Christians may come each of say. When you meet to Christopher no soon on the four, I saw the book in Christoni Baku, including the pastor. Yes, when you Christoni, including the pastor. Yes, to Jesus to so nipa only mansions are wakusisi, and said the wakusisi in Jerusalem. No ocean nipa kakelebin ubinyanoa. No would you want. No would you want home. And there will be diakoniaba. Sorry, wo Jessica, what unso won come. The dealing common. Unso win. Ubi an country. They care about money. Wamubayam paiboa, ne yesika. Wamubaya gathering beer, ne yesika. See it in the was so for to branch. Nessie can't eat me in the free hot dear. And you know me catch us as a fubay. Johnny, run for your life before it's too late. Run for your life before it's too late. Now won't be work or shit. Yeah, Christopher won't come. I will force up from my honor here. Ehona otie nti na obi dware a no wato na tade so no wokọ akọkyera tade momu wasore atade momu ne se ka sofo ne ye wo modwuma ye ede wo nyankopon asem egura wo mo kyere wo mo koye ye faso ko heavy anka woni pa nsha atade ne ka papa bi wonya emfa nkọ asore so wo de kọkyere enhu eno se eno ye nhira nka wonye da me say Unyame se mo handi over tom. Mo handi over the ships. Mo nsafo na mo kojiji no mo ntutum. Na mo mpama enyi nsode mani nyina se wo mo nkọ na mo nya asofo. Do that. No mo ko. Ene hwedi pe wu a ewu. Obi ti asode dem mo kanton so ne nya awrade dia. Ya kire no. Ya chano kan la baba kan Jesus kan la Thompson beba hey to me be no before nsana wonyame what the Thompson be mu bi wo pai ne katra mai mu meja dari mfimfin nti se Thompson ne ba ijadi e kire enente na wodomi ana domi wo shira na shira wasada pai katremai mu di jatum finfi my daddy ansana wa mu bia kasa tons no wo broja mai no wo kantons wo hyenyum ntuni de wo ye no wo kantons di sofu yu tons wo ye kronfo no wo kantons enne wo bi tie so dem kasa tons no na agene wo bi wo akọ heavy sister wo bi wo akọ hye ei mini meko me kam kire wo many are sorry me so and yes Kristo unya nu ho 30% kura unri wo mo bo papa wono so pe fullness 100% unya nu ho damra sofofo mutumi tum ho aduro mutumi wo mo nuanu mu nantin monka ho you not included hey credit card no ko pe fa betu baby ti se kwakwa to chene Koto chine na wonka ho mi kame chire wo enne kame ye se obi okọ asori bia se wo cantons mo ko fa ne he mi busam mi se wonye Kristo ni wonka ho ei mane no chobe ko method mi mfa ho mi se wonka ei mane no chobe ko pent wonka ho da wonye ndu ho usofo ne kra wonka ho usofo ne wonka ho nkremofo eye nkremo wo mo hyasie de nkola hyasie from Makalanta no wo mo teach wo ma kire wo mo sede Muhammad suni ne ban city ya sofo metra ye dia wo mo dia sikadicious pastors nti sabre from youth ye be fidi wo mo mprekodi ne sam wo mo dia nyini na agene so ye Kristo ni so no wonka ho no wonka ho ma me ne so ye sofo wonka ho ni kunu na nkasa ga asafunu nyame ba mo wonya ba kokora mpie ada Yesu beba ebe eno na just imagine wo sa I'm going crazy imagine wo say ai sa sem da nipa so asem kese eda wo nipa so nyame mayira nyame mewo de yemi hu ene wo mu tia sore dem thinking say wo mu di won kon mu nimbatenim wo mu nka ho ba wo must for mo matia say wo mu me pese chase yo da yesum sa wo ka ho wo da yesum wo be hu se de hon konkon be si de wonante wo be hu se de obesia wo be hu so what can you see it? What do nante? Obe church oniema. Wundem obi mema wodiane ni. Obi na o meda. Enyesa. Mi kame chiro. Nti me wura me shini pa domo. The surprises in say. Nipa ne be fi say. Wo yi nyame ba nso no wonka ho eno na ehu no the person think say wo you nyame ba nso won ka ho because you mean nani nkyere no se will be you nyame ba and yema bi will be who e be kyere sampa wo you nyame ba yen kyere asofofo ipesika Pentecost for here sika Methodist for here sika Presby for here sika Roman for here sika SDA for all is money na kamu de muji sika kamu mi nipa na ninko no kore no ho they refuse na mi busa wo sofo so we na wi stage apade nyina na wo hwere wo kra emfa so bɛn na wo benya itimi chamwade a enuane eniema ne bia pro ne gumufie na nkofo bi ti asafo ne mu sana mutio sana mutie sisi mudi asori na dan mudi Yesu Kristo oh no wonder na sanya munko na muto Yesu nyamunko nyamunko na muto Yesu Judas ton Christ ono kwa ni sika no wantimani nti wo wodi Yesu hu entro kwan so didi wo be fie misisika no be fie pa wo de wo nkwa betwa so etese de wata wo kra mabonsam so wakudi ntro agi wo bisika die se wo kire no kwampa no nanso wo ye trofo wo be fe wo chafa ye Hades wo chafa ye gem misibiti wona me kai ka mitirim osofo bi first mmiri bi atwam na me di nachi misisisi aminya na me boni bi mu sei misimi de ne beta me boni mi mu sei ba me mana wo so wo ye krofo wo nye Kristo ni wo ye thief krofo they didn't tell us anything nti so wo nyame na nsane mfiriso wa me evangelism nka no to akamaka kamaje me msimi ye Kristo ni so se na me nka enti sabre Jesus na evangelism she said wo soria najo kosusu nkofo daye kodeda no ho di kire wo mo enne nkremofo ikrum hoyi Yesu Kristo na na yi no ho di kire nkremofo yi the pastors refuse to do the job Jesus now nti wonye yi no ho kire di pokro pe afa wo nka bibia ma na tibiam sese wono na yi na djuma wase me nka kire mo se mo hand ni nwan over hand them over no ye na djuma mudi mu disika hand them over mu check correction for the ball tighten abuchiri kwa de ne kankan nso abuchire me ka kira abuchiri for sister brother so when nyire ya wo be ye mo bo so wo mo mpaye amu nyame enyi wasafo na nkire wa wo be ye mo bo so wo nyame bia asafo no so kasande kan si ho ka wo go da ka wo be tire fia for Bible no wo so go wurade so kyerem so won kyerem ba bi ekọ anka nipa miensa nan kamu mu se ye dada bona kamu ho abum na mo kamu hie wo nipa ba ko fie yes samu sha mo ko asore wo na mo hie wo bi na nokura no wo no so hu wo sisita wo hu nokura na me so hu nokura no ye hie wo me fie Sunday ni enya asore Bible say ba bia ba no na ba sam be hie no no asafo wurade ho mumra ye ba ni chie ye gi ofe ni taita ni apa asore bi wo nyame tumi tim me de ka me nkyere wa asore bia come at Pillar of Zion Church. Na kamu jinjo mo ofre no mo tight na mo dia ko Pillar of Zion Church. Na mo dia ko ma akosie wa wan na nya kromfo. Yes. Na mo nsafo na mo tim no mo ya kromfo. Papa na nya kromfo. Wono na nya na jesu obedi ni pesika. Nti tena safo nim na he. Di wono wa gene ye pe na wo pe heavy akono fra no gina nchan. Sister, asafo ye yetimi di ye ko wo. Enti mo ye sai wo se ye fo. Moya se wensi e 3 wase ni yen kamom na mo ne mo kunu no mo fa Bible na mo hia trasam no na mo bompaye munya ne sa na se di hia dan ne de mo komo mi yede musika oton yen kan no kula nkyere mo na sofo maame fo na wo so wo nsakra no wo mo no mo kunu mo fa asare no wo mo mfa asare na nti wo mo de mo ho a wo mo de mo ko jebu no wo mo mfa woman fa se yesu ye koye recruit wa sorry ye koye recruit me cheke wa na me wo se wa gene heavily minded na ma fra sister esa asafie yitimu ye kowu teaching sa ba nyina nya adane sorry. Mupa no mo hiem. Ni following week ni ko we fie ni ko hia ho. En kakaka mo benye bia ka ho. No mo group se nipa 3 kura, nipa 5 kura no mo group. Na mo du nyame asibode so. Na mo pai mo dedie. Akonchine mpai bo. Na mo yesterdays. Nyankopon kokon be sane awo mo so. Wo hu se mo ye serious a. Wo de kokon be firi soro be domo. Yes. Yes. Anya sa baby amonenam no. Ye di musika ye wie ye sa to ahomre. Abaifu ewum. Ya to ahomre. Ye di bi fa communion mu. So called communion. Ni ye di ahomre atom so. Ya dofo mu bi. Ya dofo mu bi. Eye man rawo. Mi rawo pass. Ni pani bi tia safu. But omo they don't know. They don't know. Woman not quite so, but they don't know. They don't know. They don't know. So ka many anama broche fotitru. Woman subuya woman da. Nkwasi asemptie no mani je ho. Nsemu hulu and woman je ho. Wo betra wo se kire no kwanim they don't listen. Me boa wate. Me shimu kra fi jam. Shimu kra fi jam. And Papa so you don't will be a fighter for the life. Fight for your soul. Fight for your soul. Because Hades one and you come on, sir. And you come on. And no meet says Hades one mono. Mframa when me provide hanoma water and you any a boy we are a from a papa for near the boy phone who could do Hades was how did you know provide you. And nipa in so come to me nipa sana why you dry no pie. Hades nyakon. A man for so far on easy. And now aduma ba fear privilege in the fight for your life before it's too late. I warn you. Run for your life. Danger is on the way coming. You don't know the day that you will die. Either today or tomorrow. Why are you still in that church? Why are you still in that church? Wofri kwa sorry wa wunyame. Wofri kwa sorry nsakra be na ba wa brabu ma ye boy Christopher dia wo beti mama ansa so bi. Nsakra be na da so tewo. Na wa bra wo do ba ku school na kolanda so bon wo tumi change ni school. Ada na wo tie asafo nim na still a wonya improvement na da so tewo na change wasafo. So wasafo tumi mo mfa nko heavy asesa wasafo no wo ton. Because we body go school no baby I go tie sika na wo hwe sa kola na bon no wo se sense school no de go school foforo. That's what you did. That's what you did. Now then I tie asafo na same nothing change. Now that's what him. What tie asafo mu ye preach every day what that's what tie dama mum. E tire se nsema e ba no to minim. En sakra nipa. Ni ye jo sika na wo ko hye. Ye do sika na mo sa kwhye. Shall dressing I would akwa sorry for me tenten. That bainus so for to menya kukudu gina puppet at such no kwani maka cho sem tro wudi na bruche de gen krata ni ja nyesa yesu ba. Wo be kwa kuwu. When was the last time? Ye betra ni ka se ai mamya no to a. Me say, what jimintia? Wo di jimi sa no kujim. Wudi jimi sa na mami wakasa dodo no won kan sama kase dodo sa jimi no an ade be ko jim so wantia because wanti nyam sasema be ko kuti jimi sem men to sebe was bible so for the kwase sem fama mu bi mu tire wu mu bi because ye trema de when chia say ade asofu ye nye obi kura sofu timi ko buru adwaman amanfo aka was mo jimi pa enkura sefo nti de mo nti bi da enie no wo sagire ho koma sofo no wo ko wo but wonim especially me hey wo be do flesh and blood no wo ko hye flesh and blood wo be do no na ni yedi nkuta srasra wo asore ho na sofo ajiusi kana manefu aye donton wona na yire no wasa ko hye me come chiro. No what's a ko shife. Hades that will be true hon. And that now be say sama me no to o cancer ma. O cancer me here. Ada wo nyame beka say ai. Filasasi so ko tamaso. Ada wo be do a wo mudi wo sebu hia wo. Na asama ndo tiem yo. Ada na wo say sama me no to te kwan wo ne nya nkwase asam no wo ka. So what you say? Picture yi so de ba o miss. Wo nyame wo be twa kire. Wo nyame na me nim wo se na wo twam wo Facebook. Wo do ho na ma ba wa na to na usi wo no wo ka. No wo ka cho se yin nsani. Na me asafo wrade kura se me nisa me shepherd no. Ma sofo me ni wo munya. No buy no can be a child. What's way crasini? What's the sister way your casadodo? What's the sister way your casaco for 7 to her? Nanky, yes, Jibi shower no popum swaki ni what them. Say, come to know because I am no po, Brabba Jibi Shemwa, Anka one yell. Nso Moni jin ne fede fa me ne fede fa nipo. Nti me ba hanu na ntimi ntie me na akọ because me ankasa me mfre ho. Me medjuma ye de ahye me nsa na me ba beye. Na se wo se wo ntia me no ni asamo. Me no ni asem. And then it's impossible some ba. But my finding me ways a miss to come and warn you and tell you say baby I wujira no kwhye ukojim. Because the suffer to me now e ma nani na ekosika ho cha akra ewu a. Wonye sofo yetena na ase wonya asafo yikom enenti mesramo mo ye ready no mo pe heavy akomo pesa mo bakoko hye se uhie wunia no na ma gene na tesa wodie ni be heavily minded mo mfafo na mo ni nkomo akua wo tehene ye nhia ni enya asore na ba bia ye safo idi ekwedi de yekowum mo nhia se enye sa mo sofo ne busa o se mprekwadua na ode maye no we can't take it anymore. Yaba, one such no crossaman country, and we are sick and tired with imprequadiane. Enough of imprequadiane, yapediane kaina yesuba. Yes, simple say. And the mobudu kukrakwa solani yesremo, or the sotia san muere. What budu kukrako on nurse of mammy do at or the sort of way? What are sort of excellent to do kojim on the kunu? What would the mukojim? What dressing modesty cranius was asafo na ye nsamanfo asafo utimu ye dai deeper life na ebu no ono de wote abotri ko hye ne secret awo chenchenche ya mumbongwem bi wotu deeper life wono susu na asafo ni hulala enko utimu ye dai me kan kura chemo obeslamo me mfansie me woni mo me ni obi esi kada me mpenso me chiremu se bebi am wono mu kowu sa pepepe na me ka chiremu yen kan kuro enso ye de tight edaka asori papa bi am fa tight naka asori papa bi enye pepa fanto and for so set you tight. I saw the papa bian, so for papa bia will not what the mran better woman. One cassa will pay heavy, one will be dim brother, so yen show. Yen show, one will show because they know so woman for the creme mamma. Hey, nipper be a whoop heavy, a quan near Brenham, I see you in American would do so. Young for Sunny Panans on away. No, now before Sunny church in Chincha won't find a 10% mra. So what behavior could do in some Sonyana Becca and so Azanti and then no force nipa by young force nipa so free the bonny yet. Unquasi addressing us started to one and a high winning a guabontino. Most of them can want some, but in the tight of the emoji. One family, no fancy see a die. No woman or no good gem. Sana moye. Monya mujem na mo kwambo sa jijinko fusika. Na mo dia pehunam famu niema. We are most innocent people. And we are going to go. We are going to go. Was handed over the sheep because we are good shepherd. Mukuta staff and mother. No more catching yan so cocopedia and Mramonamundi. And coming who ye full and any what did I did quite the dear. And so no more pemu. One full and India, what she suit about typing. One full and India, Nif Nishua no, ten. boy. Aton chain. Edi chance egugu di kom. So I suffer. Ebi shisha asuma dear. Or so I suffer. Ese mu practicing game for practicals. Suffer sha asuma dear. Suffer di chance egugu di kom. Echa ni ting. Apaya boy. Aton chain. Wunya crown for. Suffer sanu so ye balau. Where you crown for. Thieves. Thieves. You would make. Na mi would ya menya. Mi shindi patu we kojima. Makuma po mi kari. Ewa mi mu. Because nipa biya wa maso ama nkwasi ya semtie. Ukwa sonde mani ya tuwa nansisem. That other want to mean sakra. That other want to mean sakra. Because of the tuwa nansisem every day. Wane na hire. Oje di obana yan hon. Echire bebi omonde wuko. Eyemi ya. Send the baby match to Hades. No bedro. Nansa mo cheka cho musa mo form say ye Christopher say why Christopher. Why Christopher mo mfa na mo nka ho. E Christopher kwa no kwa mo ntumi mfa so. Wo say eh. Me na me ye osha wo. Na me ye say wo na me gather asori sika wo. Me na me ye asori program wo so me say won ka ho besin fa. E na ye me hu no. Se wo kudu oni ye o sa. Lady be frame me bi wo se ma me no to a. Eni ma na me ye no asori pa. Ma ye asori wo busy me nya tam kura ma me ho. Se me nka ho. Afei no ma beto no kwani se na me nka ho ton. Se na me ko wu. Nso na me nim. Mitimi sorry na papa me jam ma na ma ye busy wa sorry ye we na me organize it say na me nka ho ni ama na ye busy say na won nka and na me ka kire wo gidini me ka kire wo bia because nyame mdan na bi wa ha so wonni mo so wo nyame dwan asafo na wotim no jane pa wonni bia ono so yo nyame dwan sa na jenne na wo die ye pa and then ntina sister baby ye tra ko wu brother ye tra anko si da bai ni ye ko wu teaching se ba nyina anje ehi na atia wo fie ne he ye ngada o se baby abanu na ba sambishia even if you can gather 5 people just family to family because yet me gather family ko be fie Korean san anamboa we can also gather family to worship God. What you say? No more no somonsa. No more you no somonsa. You get that. No more the maka home. No more your teachings. Move ya no more cha continue. No more ya continue. No more your teachings. Move come more yam Bible. Move you wow. Me said that come to wow your worship. No ya me oh my sonny. They said you was sonny no konolia Sophia. Me come at more. Because that time no ubia jino within 7 and sebia basubiano emote. Nye tutu fuansa no mudi gua sori dem hono abusiefo akoyi nyinsen atoguo ababetelo ye yeshira wo tu onyame to nani wo ma hompo na nkampesa wo mpa go fredru nanim. So what you say? Gather yourself together. We are living in the last days. The clock is ticking. Please gather yourself. If you know your pastor is a thief, he's a greedy, he's a murderer, run for your life before it's too late. Run for your life. We are not here to joke. How we see one of the oil, handkerchief, and see on niema near supply. Yet you say you do when you go back or oil. When the catch us so young couple home conquer oil moon or tear. A zap for suffer, a two for suffer, mamba, a muda dynamema, from Mao benches, murderous pastors. Unyame so woni monya. Unyame wo so woni monya. 15. Me wo Ezekiel 34. Me do 15. My John Paul do 15. Was say I will take care of my sheep and lead them to rest, declares the Almighty Lord. I will look for those that are lost, bring them back, those that have strayed away, bandage those that are injured, and strengthen those that are sick. Onyamina na se obeye na dwuma yo. Se wonu na beye sa dwuma. Wonu aba be hwehwe di nwan. Wonu a de wo pra no, wo de bandage be bo no. De wo hojo, wo be pega no. De wo ye mre, wo be strengthen bi. Se wonu na beye dwuma no. asofo ne nya adwuma ne biem omu didi mo omu wiamo sika yetimi frɛ obi ofie last na sister bika woso wo yare wontumi nko asɔre ye frɛ ne ka kyɛnse ne tight wontua yo nso no obi ansi fie okra so wo behɛ no ye abusa ne tight abra wo da ne yare yempa so wo da so te sa sɔre wem na me meti abrofo mu ntia ba bia meti ne Ghana fo ni ha me sika me ne modinfo ne mosofo no jai me sika munga mu because Christo som se ayeseti woti usre be yo wansre be yo e wo so to me do life to nsem na wo sori gire mo mawurade ye si be ku si be yo die you stand up for Christ. Yes, because you have facing tribulation. We are living in the last days. Akaka krabio. You have facing Armageddon war in your common. It become 1/3 of population in this world in your common. A Christopher we are supposed to be in your common. We have to prepare ourselves before the danger time comes. We don't have time for so-called thief and murderous pastors. Madras. Sorry, penny where you dicking where you dicknesses. No bread jamai didn't throw obey for. Nya come on. Ye two a woman, ye two jamai, had to go you for so. Ye two a woman, ye say our dear, ye two free, ye separate what for. Ye union flow. And they sit there saying they were worshiping God. Mra womu mu yesumo. Mra ye womu emu yesu. Mesi mra we womu ye. Emu yesumo. Mra ye womu emu yesu nti wodofo. Me ka chaw se boa wo. Enya sori dani mu aye manu nti o. Debi o. Wo se bebi a benu number sambishia. Uti Pentecost sori dem ne dada wo pie. What the Baptists are sorry them? Yeah, that will appear. Simple as ABC. Simple. Run for your life before it's too late. Share. Me say, who pay boat to a bond man who pay the be too far. When you mean who margin to a sassy baby in Kofubiani. Me say, Mo to be dead in Mako. Asofuti mi breja mai na tepu na beto abonten na obi atibi ni aye kataso mu aso na sofu abie na no akacha o se otiri ni wi asempra nso obesore asem yi so nya no kama wo a prophecy about Jesus Christ asem no da ne ko ho na ode furu wo edru ho na boni ni we na no ede na bofam bom no asa sorry. Was she assist 7 times and son who drew her on na some yak. No one jaminti, Yakokano Ajama, or Trini, she has some prince or better. We are telling we are telling as my Jesus, the other what Jaffa, at Timudi Brejamai a bocrono, at a masturbation, at a chow brama, a lesbian, a cotton machine, the found one more bo. And then me woni banyansa fo me woni woni pa bi odi ne titu sumiye so me woni obi a won pese obi kujam me woni obi a won sem pempen so aye duro no Yesu Kristo wo ba me woni sanipa no several wasafo no nyame woni masafo no wo to na ni asafo no wasafo wo komu no wo hu no wo sofo na nkasa woni no na nkampeso wo be hu. Only friend is to train the friendly choir, but all miss obeyra. And into unity for me say, Mungada myself. Mungada myself for 5 people, 3 people, 4 people. Gather yourself. When Yanko was so obey the trabre with you, I saw down now come near sheer dying. It is a softener, so you fake here, Johnny. Muya montana si munde no kura mawurade Movie am tight no more friend. Me se me nkyere wa chiro, me kyerɛ so focus. Won na nya kromfo. Onyame na yi na kyerɛ me, onyame wo yi papa na kyerɛ me. Won na nya kromfo. Fa tight no kokoma no. Fa kokoma no. Muto mo afra mo fa nko. Won na nya kromfo, onni sika no. Na mo nya mo asɔre wo fie ho. Na mo mpai mo adedie. Mo ye bia mo se bia. Friday say Friday ni Sunday bia e be ya konchene. Na mo ye mo ba na mo bompai e wo ma na mo twa konchene ma mo na mo bompai na mo sra wurade na mo sra wo nkonkron mo bie Bible no ma mo hia na mo sra wo nyame se o ma na wo nkonkron na mra na me kyerɛkyerɛ mo ase na mo hia trosam no na mo tie wo nya obi a wo nyankopɔn so yusu de kan nyankopɔn asɛm turudo na mo hia bi na mo bompai na mo worship me se da ko mo te ho na wo nyame hia wo nkonkron firi so na wo de abedom na mo ade mo ho me kan kyerɛ mo me come chamo pem so yedru no yenhye nipo yenhye wo sofo ne yenhye asore yenhye Christ nipa wo nipa yira hwede wo ye utewu a wo sore na wo bom mesh yellow green blue wo so wajimi wo de ni colors bi egum na de sie asore dem sofo se unguni me se ne me so dai no nyame ma me sane nkofo mesh so what bobia koko sane togo koko sane ne ya yeni abro mpempen so yedu yesu ba yeni abre wodofo jane je wo kra nko ne jano emu ehu wosi jano wa mama ye o oboma satan na bofo ya so de nti ne jane ye kombi ade na oye rade dia na di for true nti wo kohye ade na safo na uti wonu se wo sofu wo hyewi wo ye kromfo pema wo ye tutu ni na da so tin na se ade na wo je ade wa bra wo ba ko school akola ni ko school tu wo se ni improvement ni nya what must san school ade no what na so 10 years na wo to me sakra ye na da so tu sofu na se why what are you doing there why and me ko Pentecost na me ko Baptist and you will meet him ya wo to he nti sa wujina dancing floor na wo sa ni e bokete na all of a sudden rhythm ni change ni e bo reggae and to be cause was edi reggae asaketa na ni busaw rhythm ni sesa wo so sesa wasa sanete sunamugum mugumo show off nti honam na mo de kwasore honam muko kire ntade muko kire kas honam muko animu asenkyere yesresre fefe yeseche usika ntia nti no moni age no mogigi adem wo kan die we nya wo se mesofo se en sha trousers wo se mesofo se nya boni en mo mesh wo se mesofo se Bible see you won sha sase so mo se mesofo se o so di nyansa to ho na take birth control bibia ye mesofo se and it me invite next e ba so dem so o me kire se di see birth control sa sorry we da so tim sister ade dey na house an bra e dey na house ano e dey na house ano am pempen so ye we are not playing games so ye ni agro me dem me betena me fa no kora ni si o me se kire ni mu aka wo sofo no so me mfa no koka sense mama no to so we kromfo wo di esika because you don't care about us preaching de ba wo ha nyina nkonkom de bia me di yi say nya me nhira sofo say nya me nhira nyesika ne kas say nya me nhira ye Holy Spirit de ya chiro ni di wo nkom so de bia be gina no ma wo si nya me nhira to what direct ya gine nyina ko gina fie ne kas nti me hu se wo no mfa me nko heaven ma fa me ho agin efi ne kura so mu ntwa me di firim ai me kwa ko siesie me ho atwen Christ sister ku ade na woko me dress kwa me de ba so nye unkanda so for unkanda trousers yi say nye Deuteronomy 20:25 in the kind also say ye wo made ho chesa wo hye me kutu pase me nkojem eja no so me pese me kom ti say ma fa ma me ho agin me hu se wo ye bad teacher nti me sesa me suku simple say simple as ABC simple Where should you go now? No, I bless myself, Pastor. I say, and then today you be blessed, my sister. You be blessed. Shakataya, mama, hey, today you be blessed, my sister. I can see blessing falling on you guys. Jesus Christ, my Shakataya, mama, Jesus. I can see you guys will be blessed today. Hey, my dear friend, my sister, my brethren, I'm telling you today, the blessings, it will never pass by you, okay? Hey, I'm telling you, your promotion is coming, your marriage is coming, your money is coming, your promotion, yeah! Hallelujah! Yes, Lord. Praise the Lord. Jesus, Mr. No, you went them. Hey, one can say, amen. Miss Winyami, be victim in the as I'm talking on the pulpit, I can see a lot of people here. I can see American visas. I can see American passport here. I can see green card. I can see you pray for a long time for babies. I can see some women are being pregnant. I can see some of them are getting married. Hey, today you be blessed. Hey, say near pong. Jimmy Sim say near pong. That's it. When we introduce one no the frawani, no one won't be a papa that, no one young quamakra. That's what he's doing. That's what he's trying to do. What's in the minimum to Musa Punch and you? No, they casano. Frog, a punch and you, no, they casano. And that's what they do. And you're still sitting there, my sister. What is wrong with you? Na mo be chemu ha. Na mo tese mame na to ha. Na again me mfa wo. Me bie woni na se wontia. We de nyu bi na kumantu o. Boss ya ko de ni ti. Me wo direction na wo kuwu. Simple say. Na me be mo kokko. Me catch us se kwan na namu no. Traffic bi accident kesi bi esi kwan no so a. Traffic bi aso no ma am robbers di huge na jahon ti sa wachi. That's what I'm here to tell you. Yes. Na mutiti mosofo na ase yema mo abasa mo di buru nyoma nti yema mo abasa o ukoma ukuru timi buru adwama ye ko kan sofo ma mi jai mema de se wa wudi so mema de wa wudi ye kra sofo kra ye nyame o so mema de wa wudi say ya asempa ye ka tiri obi dwane ye jama mo hey ye no de sofo wonka guess it wo munyina wompana you free wo munyina wompana onka da no musisi mo ma hwehwe legacy de abobo wo moto last time me ka kire mo minim kurokuro man hwe kurokuro din kam boy say European countries ni bi ni yesum kola ye go abonten no mo hwehwe legacy no moto bubom no mo na mabonten Pentecost fire Pentecost fire, fire burning my soul, fire. But when the privilege come up here, bonte, a crunu casan can calamity. Ntisakayati, yanka, you feel could now preaching like nobody's business because crunu casan wamote. Where did I be? Oh, leggings a shisha wamoto. Ejire mutesi wukubo tutu. Ni indi jankole no mo bonte na muso mo se sofo bay ne sending kole wa bonte. Who Pentecost fire who? Fire burning will be so. I say no address here. Fire burning will be so. Say woman mesh gugu woman rade. Hey, nyame na musi na chuchi asado. Hey, wasu kutana katua. Wadi bro bia said ni nyuma tie. Wasi ni bodi bia ndade wona nim. Enyama nyina so bia e wodi ene na wasem nanim. Enyama nyina aso bia e wodi ene na wasem nanim. What's in the union and a sweat beer and what the end of was sending. Timony was so forty. When you make us more handy over. When you know, as some truck was so more handy over tongue. When one has happened away the Juma. When one of the Wahojo or Pijan beam. The Wayam or strengthening beam. Me are not one in your me and Cassa and come on the baby free boy. So what you say? Na me dia sofofo bi echi o se no mu ko jemi so minim na me sa wo mu. Nyame adawruma nyame adawruma no se me bayi me mane nka ho da komisi wono ma me ko click ade a em se me kunkura na ye. Me ne na ma wo so bi asene no WhatsApp message. Baby a me di hu sofo akosi ewa. O so bi asene no WhatsApp message ye ko aso no odi shem. Ono ankasa wonim. Onyame pese wo ye ne dia na wo hu se direction na wonam no ukuwu a otumi yusu obi as a wake up call. No wa be wake you up. No what change direction no. Onyame yusu me as a wake up call to tell you to turn around from the direction that you're going. I feel what boss sanams I feel unim ubia so we awurade dia no. So what ti onyame asem a boom boom. Electrify woni padiem. Wasui bie ebura kumanim sanatio die wonye awurade dia no beto obekasa wo di atam obekasa wo kan kwase asem die woye awurade dia no wo as na koma mu bie ebura ginenim ya so this 10 minutes drive na me kunu bonam say ha when na kasai osu bi na sanimere na me say hey me say na me from that day na me je me ho anye na me je me ho and otomu say onyame to me na papa ko see what he's speaking Holy Spirit na wo ye wade dia you can stand monsieur unso ayirache now you come back home na me bia na me de ka kojem no change me direction nti free o me ntie sofo bia kan kwase ewu me mfa ho kra me ntie sofo bia kan because when he speak you feel the Holy Spirit. So what you say and also na mom peti and no na se nipa na tell say was wo didi atam na so bi de wani kire nko so kwase 1000 kran kan kase na Bible no se kwase na abo nyina wo mu me ka me kire wo Proverbs one mu bi on kwase na abo ai wo mu no eburu ta ntin wo se fade kwase ase no fama no nipa bi wo ho no wo jimi wo ko jimi wo so ochen because when chino wo ko jim wo ko she nchechep me se pre ha me se ya fidi mpre kwadi ne ya che afa wo te se wo didi ankasa wo te se aduane way is coming from above. Aduane way is coming from God. Aduane way is coming from above. So what you say? But what woman pen could say time because see when the money will say time. Almost on the door so to see almost about bad influence or more bad influence in for. Into a baby tears some one to show the idea back up no their trouble. As somehow kind, you know, Bamana Bogos. Nina Nessa would never dear. Unka, bra unka, sister, unka, because unka one. Unka, ye casaka biti. Messiki a casa, unka ubiti. Unka unintino, unia sooner, and no wonder. Was this the one through beer? On to me man and chay. Unyamiam through you to me man and chay. Baby, I want to name the young frail, until I won't penocre. Into one year, my prequel, dear beda. Into one cast out to we are a coshiaco. A Christopher be a chacha, a be a coshiaco, a be a cripples, a be a yari, the me be one in our true or fork light at 2 hours on the moa. Cowboys was so for an uncastle with him to call a patchet. E bi e di frafo, e bi asosi, e bi emum omu di bebe ne kasa. Spiritually sa no omu tie. E bi ewu. E bi kra na firi omu mu ko flesh and blood na said na go wu dada. Sa na tio, so se ko ka dukure ya di pase wodi. Me die be se maka die ya kire wo dipa. Missy Fasano Natio, Naya Krum Meradie, Macania Yatro, Nipa, Menante basa ye krum krum meradie mesi makanye ya trewo dipa mesi fasam no nantio na ye krum krum meradie mesi makanye ya trewo nipa menante basa ye krum krum meradie mesi makanye ya trewo nipa mesi fasam no natio na ye krum krum radio mesi makani ya trewo nipa makani ya trewo nipa fasam no nante na ye krum krum radio but as a forward to see en kan kura e ya wona wo to gas gu kam na drop ko ja ko to simple as ABC ye do sikacha what so te body ye do sikacha you busa say yesu ba obuko bia so unye sure what me say unye sure what me buskacha wo say I'm not too sure you busa yesu ba wo de wa hwe wa bra bu check wo ye hwa de settlement no sa no pu sisie ya ni busa na fere na wojinu wakoma mu utim hu so wonya nya ready na ba bia wote ye fidu mpekwadua na da so te wo ye fa ba na show anza na wafi edan ni mu na ha miss this time no compromise you miss me hey wo so wunti ana to me so minti bia fa video no come so for sa tie ma me anoto wunti nse wo ka afi kwa de wo se so fa nkoma no wunti Mifano. Fa koma no nti no so ye kro obeti be wi no wo ye kromfo a wo be hu so ye kromfo so wo ya zan obeti be wi no wo be hu so ye azan tsna buchi ye adwuma tem fifiri awo chenchirenchen awo timi dibi obi kura timi nanti obi kura ni ka ye de kwa adwuma jisu kujira bus station wo faka kwa adwuma awo chenchirenchen kwa adwuma yi sa udra sonde ma no wasada ye wi ani asada tight dawka just wo kwa soro kwa ye no wasada asama ye de kwa adwuma won de semo nothing change utu wo obi chemanso wo obi ayaka utu aware so wo obi buru jabai utu chumba ma wo dem da wa kwa sorry changing sintimi ma ye kire se diane de ma ona nye enti ja idea yiwia die hu kura ne se what in the boni ni esa de communion ebinum di na every month communion ebi biu mu ma bone no wadi ne kese me ka kire wo ebi kumbi e de yare so betu bi so enye komo woje koyensani wakopa ti ase ko bronsa ade chi Sunday wa brushing teeth jare botai e ko asore wo koye ni ese communion wa brother in slow no sa ko jibie dey because you know how dangerous it is. Ni di ama wo mo asofu ni asore mpani fo metro o ma beje mo bompa yegu communion isu nyina wo mo nya papa boni titi wo mo menase poditi ya obi wo mo ya aka wo mo twetwa wo mo nuanum nantini nsu sa ni pa ya beje wan le hands wo communion so e ma be chese be dibi no mo si ho abrochefo mo bo mrs abremu nti asore wo fie munya yo ton na mo ntete nsore no wo mo fie wo pe heavy akọ ni da damo ni de ya to binum so communion na wodi na wonyina yie no e danger man but you don't know esubo papa kora wonya wo kodi communion ya bo wo so pu wo di kodi communion pu mu ni aba wo so wo di kodi communion wo di kodi communion wa bra bonye ucha ntro nkrata sama wa yinyire ye ntro dele wo ketrama so wo ni ready cotton say didi wo mo they don't teach you all these things ni ye jaye si yinyire ye nku ye jaye me say nanka wo ka wo communion ka be jane wo nyan sakrai wo mo de ba no aka chom say osrom ya me yanka say sister wo mo ankasa wo mo de depending fari wo mo ku ya bi be popo but they don't see it check your brabo, you don't deserve to eat communion. Catch on so would mom fanko. Hey, sister, queer already boy, no say, me di conconsa of Froshra. Obi Fred, but many baby was a medical concern. Men fan fatasa me di communion. Simple as ABC. Yet that nipa oh. Yet that nipa. Brother na Koreans, or no timis win a year, or side chick, or the hirachi, or chimpra or the hirachi. When him so when communion, I becca sending in Koye. I saw a penny or two on your correct. So when him so when communion, Papa Uku. Deaconesses, Uku Fefe. Ya ye be bo, me say, was him a movie, was it? So dear, no one need a compasswa. It be yare, and the yare to be so. It be woo. It be bonina mutim no bon double. Amudi o de mamu se nsuo no. Umu wi de hu mu nkwaso leftovers no masesa de akomo mu ma ofie. Ubi yare de asesa communion. Roman for kwa mo yema ne yetan. Ubi da wo yes asesa communion se mfa nkoma na ofie. Ono ankasa nsakra yekodoboro yare na man. Munje na efri na di krai mumie mo asoma na krai ni yato na nsesa mo gumo asoma che Bible no mum kom asore me se de uko je majai mami ano to wu bi asore won de betime gu onyame asore na safo na ne wo onyame na safo na ne wo baby a ye de uti a kire de ye de uko jem enti jai hoko eyen samanfo asafo ye de uko jem preach ye ba ne ye de uko jem sofo ma meti wo na obi ayaka waye pompom fese man kwa no megina popite ni mo fa na wege meche wo wonya correct enti na no kasa no Jezebel spirit no de kasa no enkoyi fini nasi ko ton me se mo fa video no komo o mo so mo nchela anoto am so mi nchele o anoto am so mi nchele Onya me be yi ni nwan safety. No you almost safety. Listen to this. Cut 21. Ezekiel 34:20. Was it so? So this is what the Almighty Lord says to them. I will judge dispute between the fat sheep and the skinny sheep. You fat sheep, push the skinny sheep with your size and shoulder, and you kick down all the sick sheep with your horns. You have scattered them all over. So I will rescue my sheep. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for rescuing us. One rescue and coming. Kabana come this of Ubiatia man de me who si dying. A binum de who si dying. Ebinum de yahu ebie radio stations asoro no obeka so say nya media so obeka kosi no ni krom dia gidin obeye pompos wonfa ho no de bie radio stations owi na odi nya media to so oboa oya za woya kromfo onyame say 22 no say I will rescue my sheep. Thank you, Jesus. And they will no longer be their prayer. I will judge between one sheep and another. Then I will place one shepherd over them, my servant David, and he will take care of them. He will take care of them and be their shepherd. I, the Lord, will be their God, and my servant David will be their prince. I, the Lord, have spoken. I will promise them peace. Thank you, Jesus. He will promise them peace. I will promise them peace. I will remove the wild animal from the land. Thank you, Jesus. I will remove the wild animals from the land so that my sheep can live safety in the wilderness and sheep in the woods. When you remove wild animals, no more fry muno. Wolf in the sheepskin, no. God will remove them out among us. Said you be safe. Our wilderness. Now Jesus is doing his own job because one more so-called pastors, no, they are not doing the job. They were thieves. am coming and say Judas the better to be there. O koto Jesus what is he can a day. Actually was shadow walk of Quano near Radidia. So not cromfu be no one who say a senior and soon your privilege. Cromfu be no heavy wabako. We are tight in the offering. Mubokro no. We be the shamu socks. Muya can cry. Sika da futu mu chantro. The odiso ni chantro the yet hui. Dear. Who could do be a sick and Jabisu sika kudi. Wabokro no anko bonya meso kron. Tu nsira de on. Mumaya zam and yamesu muyanaza. One was sending new menina. Mobo kronoama ye kai offering sika yese what should that be at bottom one so hwe wapampem won sura de wo kura de wasem ne hu che wo bi okutu dan ase won de wo bi de wo di a whole god no wo wi na sa without sympathy won sura de won fere ade nti so wo man nkranta no so a wo man poma na dade poma no so a no wo de bo so a se be bo ani se be bo yam se be bo kukum se be bo tim da fa wa jima mo bodam wo yo wo de bo se po mi kan kira wo mfa mo wo de na kira sa wo nya ne dia wo be proud se to mi la yugura wo de ko gujema show because so wo ye ne dia kan kwase asema wo di ko atia because we batam papa bia what tie ne ba one tie won chese wo be proud se zumi la yura wo do kugu jema wo she solid simple na the other year be yam say asafo they were sitting down no pastors of you are correct said he was here chene dan koko na ne pants na chechere no na ne suit na wedere ne ho na ne be mafuo na nim kura kire se wonye so for papa nso sister ite okay, bless my soul, pastor. Bless my wo mo boche bibia. Wo mo bo. Me said that to be to be sanu. E when nipa bibe, I want be be not just work on the mesh. Now it too late. You Bible no cop Matthew 25. E when be be not just work on the mesh. Work on the mesh yo. Matthew 24 verse 42. Was therefore be alert, because you don't know on what day your Lord will return. You realize that if a homeowner had known at what time of the night a thief was coming, he will have stayed awake. He will not have left the thief break into his home. Therefore, you too must be ready, because the Son of Man will return when you least expect him. What? Was it be alert? Be ready. Mention a good so to torment to be busy. Because I'm not too late. Me sit down. See, you got a foolish virgin, sir. Foolish virgins will be crazy. Nakai can you go crazy? Wow. I feel no open to my cost and wig. No use Miss Steam better. Was it be alert, because you don't know the day or the hour. See war every day. Be alert. Nso we give a good tiriso. Me say ubete so yaje wa. Na wonyame na bofo de tutuben to you say boy mo den. Afi no bi be grab the Bible. He me kwa sorry. Obe person to nika. Me say dam jam. Adan no bi be fa the Bible. Ye. And then na kam say me kwa. Yesu ba me ko. Me say sana nkofo hu bepo. Sana obi be so ye obe fa paso. Me chicha me wait na too late. It's over. It's over. Ubi sika na me send the china and my sister na be kasa o ye ma de na she me pa me phone no way my friend na me kasa me jama naka I too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. And maybe a cow so that was so imagine what now pepper cow ye must 1 second na kutu wig no you more na wakeka no it must yesu ba you ready wo bo ye makeka me more was so one pe sa dan na obe ro ho ne ma na it too late na it too late it's just how we are foolish. So what you say? It's just how we are foolish. Once you see One tenase antwen. One koso ama oil ni bi emu ukani anim. Eninti asa. Nti afa na odi mirika. Kope oil di egum. Too late. Ebedru ana sister bia wo yusuo. Okoto ni nku na gubolem na too late because skin that's all. Ebedru mrebi na sister bia bo mesh gum tisu yensa na mesin na meso dan no nyame ma me sane sane nkofo mesh. Nti na me kasa sa wo mesh no. No okosane na too late. Wakototo ni more na too late. Ye ni be pa kapo ko ni eyelashes ko yi ye na ni echi oko too late. Too late. Was it a few random dark crown for be ban so nko ankoda when so dear debut one save is forever save what unye save enti nkasa forever one kasa unye save wo de cha wo check if you three so kosi una sese wo save waka tere me check akomani agene wo gene nsema wo ka mete kasa nyina wo bu ofu me wo de wa check won so we save one save is forever save and no wa fa ton senia so na hwe se wo ka ho ka tere me check wo da yesum so wo ka ho ka tere me abrabo wo bo wa check na so wo ka ho let me know me si da ba ni be bomb jai a bit too late I'm a binom. He be true no be con the closet a queen in San Washa Sheffield. A he must see you suba. Hey, you go to you go too late. Steam back show, baby. Be too late. Who no be a cat and cacoconi mum. Now, yeah, and I in fact, I dear queer me the national pa. One yard. Me the betcha name. Sisi apa di asheme ode nyame adom ochana me ne be kasa nso bia na nadwena wo koda na Yesu bo nti afa wo da hono ma 12 midnight wo beto popo yai awrade ai man fa ncha kwio ye me phone wo he na too late ene ya nyawodia na wo de wochana wo ene ya nyawodia wo now they watch now wow and they nyawodio now they watch now wow and they are nature say we oh the osuma o nejuma missy neye nyamedia na me de watch now wow me ho missy neye nyamedia o na me de watch now wow me ho and they are nyamedia na me de watch now wow me ho and they are nature say me oh the osuma me na nejuma Ubeye papa. Ubedi boni suwa di boni. And then they watching on your penti. Oh, me to come to 2 beach now. So what yes, and then you would dear now the watching of wow. They are just so we do small when they do. Will be a car, a monto in Cassatana, and they are friend and any mum. Would you go to party will be a dear in Cassatana, and they are see whom. Will be was some, and they are. Will be champion sisters about the fifth. Will be our one dear car, catch no sound to million and television journey. Will be bread of my journey. Who go in and say to good nature? Who for birth control and never to good body and can't tell some man to a change. I feel quite we are soon so. Missy Jai in the air. Who could obey and they are touching an enemy? Nanny maybe not 12 o'clock and more. You don't know. I this one will be who you don't know. And till Nanny Quadida and Dania Dombre and TCC a train ready no baby. I'm ready on my eye on the 4. We don't have much time left. I didn't cost with you. When the papa and them to say, hey, mamma, not to if you say me before Christo, papa, or mamma won't to me cry, one was what the was a Christian tea, we are some cosia dear. Ye be titi also sense Pebian Muneshi, Kuakuma to Yamon Tete, because I dear back on him was it Danny Dra, Nipamino more, ye before Bakoja Bako, Nipamino Baketaso, ye before Bakoja Bako, and this is the Quia Brayo, ye walk from dear, for what do, Fatana say, yes, it will be a Jimmy. Ye Jimmy, yes, soon, so now, do that. Mubianka so ye Jimmy for. Not opete open yinchirinti udidi bola so oye no huniti for sasre wa wanhwe ye no bia tuntu de nakoye nkwa Eninti wode ni jimi okodi didua papa so ye de ne bekwa koye nkrakra eninti watu so ni obedi dibola so opeta so obedi dibola so se de be ya yemfa ne nkoye nkwan eninti nya hwe jimi ne hye ba bi se de be ya yento tikoi so what you say ni ntiti a wo so fa jimi panyi nkyere nkakra be yie Yesu Kristo ba uko nkutu deni mabompai fa yefunu to ka kire onyankopon se bufu honhum ti mo no onyi nkoto nkyere adi bi wo mo Yesu ba ebesi ukwan ma ntumi nkobi shaase fa yefunu to ho ho ye ho bo mpaye obi ye wadi timi hye wo ntumi nya ma ne nka shaase ye ho adwuma enima bi wo ye kromfo just wo hu bi ade wo fa konkonsa do kro just wo hu bi asa no wafa fon na wo ka wotumi di konkonsa me ka se oho nso wotumi fi Bible nka ntire wo nua se Yesu do nka ntire wo nua John 3:16 say Yesu onyankopon do odo wiase ni so de ne do untumi nka bi nkyere wo bi nso ye ka nkonkonsa wo na wodie so wo bi friga na bedura buchia wo na wo kire no kwan ye fa so kutwa ban tro nya benefit ene quit wo na wo kire nkofo kwan ye fa so ton ye nkrata de sika ene ya quit wo na obi ko gina court mo ko ye nkrata se wukuru nyi wukuru eye ntro fra na ka kire nse court no nko bi eye Bible si atro nyina eja eni say tribunsan unim da ubewu sika na sister kuya kamema 20,000 wo se ye mpacho niya da ja me di kodi ntro eye pa ninim da mewu eye ade na ne wo kokot ne ntro ne de wo ko ade na ne wo no ubi kokot na mo kodi ntro ade unim sa atro nyina eja ni sita enne ye twam ebe kunkura twam si ye de wo be kunkura mkura twam na fadie di wo die fanyina mu die wo waso ontie die honhom ne kasa kyerɛ safo
asole